Hybrid user interfaces describe a combination of several devices into one system. Such a combination promises to alleviate the disadvantages of one device by adding features of another. The term hybrid user interfaces was coined in 1991. Since then, many research projects have focused on exploring possible systems within this interface category, showing the importance and interest of this term. However, the broadness of the follow-up research projects can be seen as wild growth, which caused the term hybrid user interface to become unspecific and fragmented. Additionally, a set of related terms have been used since then, which partially overlap with hybrid user interfaces. We could identify different definitions of hybrid user interfaces through our lightweight exploration of existing literature. Additionally, other terms appeared, which are transitional interfaces, augmented displays, asynchronous hybrid user interfaces, distributed user interfaces, cross-device, cross-service, or complementary interfaces. Generally, we identified some core properties that most of the definitions shared. With that, hybrid user interfaces combine multiple, heterogeneous devices synchronously to join 2D and 3D representations and interactions. Additionally, one such device should always be a head-mounted display. However, we could also find other features that only some definitions included, like an asynchronous use of homogeneous devices. Although the general stereoscopic perception and the combination of real objects and the tangibility are discussed. With such a broad range of features, classifying systems as hybrid user interfaces becomes hard. We presented some edge cases based on our projects and experience to demonstrate that. Our system Marvis combines tablets with AR HMDs for visual analytics. If we would swap out the HMDs with additional tablets for handheld AR, it would no longer satisfy the core features of a hybrid user interface. With that, questions arise like, are homogeneous setups with regard to input and output capabilities part of hybrid user interfaces? Or can handheld AR be even part of hybrid user interfaces in the first place? Another project of ours presents a system to align point clouds of a liver model in a medical use case. Here, we combine a looking glass with a leap motion for stereoscopic perception and hand tracking. However, the looking glass is also equipped with a small 2D monitor and can be controlled by a mouse and keyboard. With that, we see questions like, does every device in a hybrid user interface need input and output capabilities? Or should we classify a system as a hybrid user interface based on the total possible capabilities or only on those that are used in a specific application? To summarize, we investigated the existing and related definitions of hybrid user interfaces and demonstrated some edge cases of why it is hard to classify a system as such an interface.